Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuit jamun. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Marie biscuits, approximately 250 grams, which will grind into a fine powder. Also, have 50 grams of desiccated coconut, a small pinch of baking soda, and about 1/4 cup of milk ready. For the syrup, we'll use 1½ cups of sugar, 1½ cups of water, and 4 cardamom pods. Don't forget the oil for frying. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and prepare the dough. Begin by grinding your Marie biscuits into a very fine powder. Next, in a bowl, combine this biscuit powder with the desiccated coconut and a tiny pinch of baking soda. Slowly add the milk, little by little, kneading gently with your fingertips until you achieve a smooth, medium consistency dough. Remember, a crack-free dough is key for perfectly shaped jamun balls. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and fry our jamuns. Lightly grease your palms with a little oil. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into smooth, crack-free balls. Next, heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying over a medium-low flame. Carefully place the jamun balls into the warm oil and fry them gently, stirring occasionally, until they achieve a lovely golden brown color, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Finally, let's prepare the sweet syrup that will transform our fried balls into juicy jamuns. In a pan, combine 1½ cups of sugar and 1½ cups of water with the 4 cardamom pods. Bring this mixture to a boil until the sugar fully dissolves and the syrup becomes slightly sticky. Turn off the heat, then immediately add your hot fried jamun balls to the warm syrup. Let them soak for at least 2 hours to absorb all that delicious sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.